So here are the ingredients for preparing butter paneer masala BPM paneer makhanwala. It is known as also paneer makhanwala. So ingredients are tomatoes, 5 of them quartered. Use red ripe tomatoes for better color and flavor. Onion 1 and quartered, and cashew nuts. If you want to make it sattvic, skip ginger, garlic and onions and then increase the amount of cashew nuts. We are going to roast these three and then make a puree. This is the basic difference between a BPM and our normal simple paneer preparation. There are even more differences. We are going to talk about it later on. So let's start preparing our puree for our BPM. Here I have a here I have a frying pan. I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and then add these three ingredients. We need to roast these until the tomatoes leave out the juice, onions become soft and cashew nuts become tender, and then these go to a mushy consistency. So this is what we want to achieve in this stage, and this is also a difference between a normal paneer preparation and this. So we are going to roast this for about 8 to 10 minutes until these become soft and tender. So make sure you stir it occasionally, or you may leave also in a lower flame. This will get automatically like that. So let's wait until it's done, which will take just about 8 to 10 minutes. So you can see these are cooked, and these are at the right stage. We are going to cool it down and make a puree, and then we are going to strain this, so which will make a very silky smooth gravy. So strain it down. Here I have the ingredients for preparing our BPM puree that we prepared just now. It's a bit of orange, but we are going to balance it out with some Kashmiri red chili powder, paneer. Make sure fresh paneer and 120 to 150 grams of it. Make sure you soak it for about 30 minutes in warm water or even longer, which will make that melting mouth effect, and it will be just delicious, heavenlicious. My mouth is watering. So sorry for that. Fresh cream here, about 1/3 cup or as desired, and if you want to reduce it down, you may reduce, add less. And butter here, you may also use light butters or any butter that you want. 2 to 3 tablespoons. Ginger garlic paste, Kashmiri red chili powder. You may also use degi mirch, paprika, but Kashmiri red chili powder is the best. It gives color. And salt, garam masala, dried fenugreek leaves. This is also known as kasuri methi. We are going to roast it out and then crush it. Cardamom leaves also. We are also going to use some honey. So let's start preparing our butter paneer masala. So take a pan or a kadhai, add the butter to it. So in this preparation of BPM, we cannot skip the butter at all. If you want to use some light butter, but I prefer the normal butter to it. 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Let it melt, and as the butter is very sensitive to heat, I mean it burns very fast, I'm going to add a teaspoon of oil, which will prevent it from burning, and let's wait until it melts very nicely and mix very nicely. So let's add the GNG to it, which is ginger and garlic to it. You may check out my recipe for ginger and garlic paste. This is the same paste that I prepared that time. It's working till now. So its life is very nice. So wait until the rawness of it's gone, and it will take about a minute or so to cook it. So it looks like it's cooked. Now I'm going to add the Kashmiri red chili powder to it. So I'm going to add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder to get the color. My paste is very orangish type of it, that's why I'm adding lots of Kashmiri red chili powder. But don't worry, it will not give it too much spice to it. Actually, it was not spicy at all. It was very nice and balanced. So you may add lots of Kashmiri red chili powder if you want to add. So without any further delay, add the puree to it, because the Kashmiri red chili powder may burn very fast. So just add lots of puree to it, and you can see the consistency of the puree. Even it's not too thick right now, and it's kind of watery, but it will be very thick and very nice at the later stage. Let's wait until it bubbles up and it's boiled. So stir it occasionally, and let's wait until it's bubble up. So it's kind of bubbling up and boiling up right now. I'm going to add the salt to it so that it's easier to cook, and then we are going to wait until the salt mixes up, and then we're going to cover it. So just cover it up, and then we're going to cook it for about 30 minutes, but make sure you stir it occasionally and in lower flame. Now The second difference is this only: we cook it for longer until the spices become very mild. I mean, it becomes very mild, the puree becomes very mild. You can see the consistency right now. It has been about 25 minutes and it is very thick right now. I'm going to balance it with some water, and then you can see it's now good, and it's very mild, and the spices that we add will balance it out. So the spices also make a very good role in it. I'm going to add the spices to it. So in the spices, I'm adding the garam masala to it. Make sure we add very little, about less than half teaspoon, some salt to it, and then the fenugreek leaves that I had. The fenugreek leaves also plays a very good role in it. It gives the butteriness to it, and mix it once. So you can see I added very less spices to it, which will do is make it milder. I mean, it will be spicier right now, but when we add the cream to it, it will be very mild. I added some Kashmiri red chili, I mean the cardamom also. These 3 to 4 spices are not used commonly in a combination, but in this we use it, and the flavor is just amazing. It's just yummy. So I have added some cream to it. The punch of every flavor will be reduced now, and it will be just a melting mouth. The only thing that is not there in this right now is honey, which will give a bit of sweetness to it. If you want to use condensed milk, you can even use condensed milk to it. You can see the color even, it looks delicious, isn't it? Add the paneer right now, and then I'm going to add the honey to it. If you want to use sugar, you may use, but the natural sweetness of honey is just amazing. So add some honey after mixing it. Don't cook it for longer right now, because it may turn a little bit bad. I mean, if you don't cook it for longer after adding the cream. So add some of the honey, about 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey, and then mix it. Don't mix it too much, also the paneer may get mushy. So it's ready. It's looking amazing. It's heavenlicious even. I tasted it once. I have cut that scene. So mix it once, serve it up. I'm serving it with some kulchas. You may serve it with fulkas, parathas, or even rice. It looks heavenlicious, delicious, isn't it? Thank you for watching.